ভাই সামনে গেলেন কেন? ক্যামেরাটা না নিচে
Still here. So it will be pictures as well?
On the camera,
We are doing the plantation, but we must look after where we did the planted. It is not only do the plantation, to look after also is a big challenges. It's a real challenges as well. And for that reason, really we are honored. When I am discussing with our Honorable Minister regarding the city dwellers challenges, we have a lot of challenges. 49,000 people were living in the city dwellers per square kilometers. And we are ready, DNC is ready to take this kind of challenges. I believe that today with the participate, with all the excellencies, I just want to give a message that in this diplomatic zone, you are living here, but you don't know that such kind of park for the open for all of the city dwellers. It is not only for the ambassadors, it is not only for the rich man. This park is also for inclusive. That is the message I want to give it to you. Yes, this is a diplomatic zone. All the class people are living here, but we cannot live with the slum areas people as well. And as a city mayor, I want to give a message to all of you. Where we are building this kind of park, the playground, this is inclusive for all of us. This is the message I want to give it to all of you. We opened a park few days back in Bonani. It was a car parking. Can you believe it? The field was the car parking. But no, we are not going to accept this kind of things. I took a challenge with my councillor, with Honorable Minister. He has given me the clear instruction. No matter what, how powerful he is, how politically he is powerful, we have to give a message. Any kind of park, any kind of field, any kind of canal, we have to recover it. That is the challenge. There is Akhtar Mahmood, the town planner. They all are here. We believe that we have to do for the future generation. Our grandfather, they planted the trees. That's why today we can take the oxygen. That is the reality. But when we are developing the country, we are cutting the trees. Yes, we have to cut the trees. But one trees we cut, we have to do at least 10 plantation. That's the slogan, we have to do it. 1:10. And I believe that we can do that. Today's is the 101-year celebration of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. We have to do cut the cake. We have to do lot of things, but we have to give some kind of message to the nation. Our Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, he fought for the country. He was behind the bar for his all of the life, because he want to give independent, one flag, red and green, made in Bangladesh with pride. That's he want to give a message to all of us. Made in Bangladesh. And we are very proud that we are we are not the bottomless of basket, is a full of basket. That is the message. কেউ দাবায় রাখতে পারবে না। That is the message. And with that, I just give a thanks and I welcome to all the excellencies, give a new suggestion how we can make the city. All the cities have the challenges, but we have overcome. So, which the proven overcome sample, I request to all of you, please come and we can do the sister city concept as well. As I was just discussing yesterday, there is a lot of mosquitoes biting. The people are saying, the city leaders are saying it's a mini Atik is biting to us. So how we can do the solve? That is the challenge. You know that a lot of countries have the mosquitoes, but there is a lot of modern equipments, modern technique. I'll invite you, all of you, let's come together and discuss, open discussion, how to solve these kind of things. Today the air pollution is 197. Just now the air pollution in here. The good is 0 to 50 is a good. 51 to 100 is moderate. 101 to 150 is unhealthy. And 150 to 200 is really the unhealthy. So we are 197. So our excellencies from Saudi Arabia, he said, that is the mother. The nature is the mother we have to protect. So I request to all of you, let's protect the city for our future generation. Let's protect the city for the old generation as well. We have to give honor to the old generation.